What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to heal the poison NPC during the Healer's Calling quest in Where Winds Meet, because this part can be confusing if you're doing it for the first time. You unlock this quest when you reach level 13, go to the marked location on your map and you'll find an NPC affected by unidentified poison. Your task here is to examine the illness and heal them. First, you need to activate Wind Sense. On controller, press R3 to enter Wind Sense mode. If it doesn't work, make sure Wind Sense is already unlocked and equipped in your skill tree before starting the quest. Once Wind Sense is active, the game will ask you to observe the poison. Press triangle when the prompt appears. This will open the healing minigame, which is where most players get stuck. Now let's quickly go over how this minigame works. You see the illness on screen along with two important things: affliction severity, which shows how strong the poison is; vital energy, which is your resource. If this reaches 0, the healing fails. Your goal is to reduce the affliction severity to 0 before your vital energy runs out. At the beginning, the game may ask you to wait and observe how the poison behaves. That's normal, so just let the turn progress. After that, you'll start using prescription cards to treat the patient. You'll mainly use two prescriptions: essential remedies, which directly reduces the poison severity, and inner stillness, which works like a shield and helps reduce incoming illness damage. When a card is available, press cross to select the card, then press again to apply it. If you're on PC, simply drag the card onto the patient to apply the treatment. The game will guide you step by step, showing which card to use and when. Keep in mind that some prescriptions cost Fiery Heart or require enough compassion points. If you don't have enough, you won't be able to use certain cards. If you run out of Fiery Heart and can't use a card, press the on-screen key to move to the next healing cycle and wait for your resources to recover before applying the next treatment. As the turns continue, the illness may deal damage. That's why timing matters. Use inner stillness to block damage, then apply essential remedies to bring the severity down. Once the affliction severity reaches 0, the healing is successful, the NPC recovers, and the healing part of the quest is complete. That's all there is to it. Just follow the on-screen prompts, manage your vital energy, and apply the prescriptions in the order the game recommends. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.